Hello students. The next topic, next content from this the human and the colorful world is what the scattering of light, in which we are going to observe the different and different phenomena. The first one is the Tyndall effect. The second is the why is the color of the clear sky is blue, and the third one the color of the sun at the time of sunrise and sunset. So these are the three phenomena we are going to be observed. The first one is what? Let us try to understand the Tyndall effect. Before understanding the Tyndall effects, what exactly is the scattering of light? Isn't it? What does it mean, the scattering of light? It's a very simple, students. The statement of the scattering of light can be mentioned as what? If suppose the light is traveling in the straight path and immediately the light gets deviated from its path, that concept is called the scattering of light. That's it. Correct? The deviation of a light in its path due to because of the collision on the particle is what it is to be called as the scattering of light. Now, in case of the scattering of light, this scattering of light can be understood by the different and different phenomena from which we are having the Tyndall effect. So, what exactly is the Tyndall effect? You know very well, in the atmosphere, as I already mentioned, there are so many type of particles are there which are not visible for us. Even though wherever it is, you are sitting, you are just walking, whatever it may be, whenever you are there are some of the particles surrounding us, they are not visible to us. But what happens if suppose through a small hole, if the light is coming, are you getting what I am saying? So at that time these particles are visible. That type of effect is what it is to be called the Tyndall effect. Why we are getting the small the particles when the light is traveling through the small hole? Isn't it? Many times we have observed these examples, the examples where we can observe this example. You know that if suppose there is a window in the morning, the light is coming and we can able to see the dust particles. That is the Tyndall effect. Correct? Might be in so many movies might have observed if there is a deep forest and through that deep forest, if suppose we can able to see a sunlight is coming. Is it a sharp beam of a sunlight is coming and we can observe the dust particles over there? That was exactly the concept of the Tyndall effect. These particles are visible due to because of the sunlight is collides on that particle and that particle shines over there. That is what the concept it is to be called the Tyndall effect, and this effect is observed due to because of why beta scattering of light. Correct? So then what is the statement of the static of Tyndall effect? That colloidal, the scattering of the light by the colloidal particles. अब यार ये colloidal particles मतलब क्या? मैं कह रहा हूँ ना आपको कि डस्ट पार्टिकल जो कि हमें विजिबल नहीं है, लेकिन जैसे उसके ऊपर लाइट स्कैटर्ड होती है तो पार्टिकल्स क्या हो जाते हैं? विजिबल हो जाते हैं. Correct? This what it is to be called the Tyndall effect. The examples right now I told you. The first example is that when sunlight enters a small filled room, isn't it? Enters a smoke filled room through a small hole. That was another example. And the third one is that when sunlight passes through a canopy of a dense forest. Correct? That is what another example of the scattering of light. The next one is what? Why is the color of the clear sky is blue? मैं यहाँ पर लिख देता हूँ. Scattering of light is what? Deviation of its path. Correct? Deviation of light. Deviation of इसका light from its path. From its path. Getting what I'm saying? That is to be called the scattering of light. हाँ या ना? It's very good. The next one is very interesting and the fascinating concept of physics. That is the why is the color of the clear sky is blue? Dear students, whenever we look toward the sky, we observe the sky is blue. What is the reason behind that? There are so many misunderstandings there due to because of that 17 or 72% of water lies on the earth's surface, and due to because of whatever the sunlight is incident, the sunlight gets reflected back, and that is what the reason we are able to see the color of the sky is blue. Is it right or wrong? Absolutely wrong. What is the reason behind that? That I am going to tell you. What happens, you know, that if suppose this is what the earth, what we can say, this is the earth, isn't it? And we have atmosphere, and there are different and small particles are there like that, isn't it? In the atmosphere of the earth. Correct? There are different and different particles are there. Different size of the particles we can observe. Dust particles, isn't it? Polluted particles, isn't it? There are different type of gases are there. There are different type of water molecules are there, isn't it? There are different and different type of other molecules are present. Many number of particles are present in the atmosphere of a smaller size as well as the larger size. Larger size doesn't mean that like the size of a ball, isn't it? It's not like that. In a it's about a wavelength, that is in terms of the angstrom and the meter, isn't it? It's very small, 10 to the power of minus 10, like that. Up to that we can able to measure the such type of size of the particles we can observe in the atmosphere. अब ये इतने प्रकार के अगर पार्टिकल अगर आपके एटमॉस्फेयर में है तो हमें तो पता है कि यार सनलाइट इज कमिंग आउट, करेक्ट, द सनलाइट इज कमिंग, नो डाउट एट ऑल. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस when this white light or the light is coming, the light which is coming from the sun get incident on these particles which are in the atmosphere. So what happens, light gets reflected back in the atmosphere itself, correct. Now which light gets reflected back in the atmosphere, as we know very well, as soon as the light is incident on any of the particle, so what happens dear, the different colors were observed, that is the dispersion phenomena is took place. Similarly there what happens, you know that dispersion is took place and the different colors of the light get scattered back in the atmosphere. अब ये जो light scattered हो रही कौन से color की होगी light scattered back, isn't it? Now what happens, as you have seen the different colors, that is the Vibgyor, correct, Vibgyor. Now from this the length of the color is goes on increases from V to R, correct. Now as I told you, there are some large size particles are also there and small size particles are also there, correct. Now what happens, the smaller wavelength, the wavelength of color which has small, that is the smaller wavelength color, smaller wavelength color, are you getting what I'm saying, get scattered due to because of the small size of the particle. Are you getting what I'm saying? And the larger wavelength color gets scattered due to because of what, the large size of the particle. Clear? So what I told you already, that smaller particle are also there as well as the large particle are also there. Now due to because of that, the reflection or the scattering of light is took place and some amount of light gets reflected back in the atmosphere itself due to because of the smaller size of the object, isn't it? Now what happens, mostly what happens, the smaller size or the smaller wavelength light of the colors will get scattered in the atmosphere. Now amongst that, blue color is very much sensitive for our eyes. Blue color is very much sensitive for our eyes, and that is what the reason we observe that most of the blue color gets scattered in the atmosphere, and that is what the reason the sky appears to be blue. Get what I'm saying? This was exactly the concept. यार क्योंकि हमें पता है वहां पर लार्ज साइज पार्टिकल्स भी और स्मॉल साइज पार्टिकल्स भी है, लेकिन उतने सारे लार्ज पार्टिकल्स है क्या, नहीं है, लेकिन बहुत स्मॉल साइज पार्टिकल्स है, समझ में आ रहा है. तो उस स्मॉल साइज से ऑब्वियसली जिस कलर की वेवलेंथ स्मॉल होगी वही रिफ्लेक्ट करेंगे बाकी के, करेक्ट, दे विल ट्रैवल टुवर्ड द अर्थ. सो जो रिफ्लेक्ट हुआ है बाकी के स्मॉल वेवलेंथ की, तो हमें क्या दिख रहा है, जो स्काई है वो ब्लू दिखेगा क्योंकि हमारा आई रेटिना भी उस कलर को बहुत सेंसिटिव करता है. दैट व्हाट एग्जैक्टली व्हाई दिस कलर इज अपीयर्स टू बी ब्लू, दैट इज व्हाट द आंसर. होप इट इज वेरी मच क्लियर टू एवरीवन.